We have all tried onion juice, right? But I bet you've not tried fermented onions water. In this video, I will show you how these simple ingredients can supercharge your hair growth. This will turn anything lifeless hair to thick, healthy hair faster than you ever imagine. And all you have to do is just use this 2 times weekly. No expensive products, no harsh chemical, just pure natural power. Today is not just about using onions for your hair. We are diving deep into all the benefits of fermented onions water, the game changer that is backed by science and real results. If you are tired of slow growth, hair loss, dull hair, just stick around because by the end of this video, you will definitely be running to your kitchen to try out this. Hit that like button if you are ready for super fast hair growth. Now let's get started. All we need is 2 medium-sized onions. Take out the peel, wash and cut anyhow you want it. While we prep the onions, let me break it down. Onion water is made by infusing onion into the water. This is rich in sulfur, quercetin, and antioxidants. But fermenting it, that is where the magic happens. Fermenting it enhances the potency and reduces the smell. It amplifies nutrients even more better than fresh onions. Studies show that onion extracts can regrow hair up to 87%. People with alopecia. But fermenting it takes it to another whole level by creating probiotics that nourishes the scalp. Imagine waking up to new baby hair sprouting. Your hair is getting thicker week by week and the compliment is pouring in. People who have used this remedy have reported 1 to 2 inches per month. That is double of the average. We are going to do everything right now. This is not just your regular video. It is a roadmap to your dream hair. Onion is packed with sulfur compound known as allicin, which is a natural hair booster. Sulfur is a building block of keratin, the protein that makes up 95% of your hair. Without it, your hair becomes brittle and stop growing. Onions also contains quercetin, which boosts blood circulation to the scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrients for faster hair growth. It also contains antioxidants that fight free radical that causes premature growing and hair thinning. It also contains anti-inflammatory property that soothe your scalp and fight issues such as dandruff, psoriasis, inflammation, hair itching, and a lot more. This will create a perfect environment for your hair to grow. Study carried out in 2020 by Journal of Dermatology found that using onions this way can regrow your hair up to 87% in patients with alopecia after about 4 to 6 weeks of using it. Now, let me answer the question that is in everybody's mind. Why ferment it? Okay, fermentation introduces beneficial bacteria. It breaks down compound for better absorption, lowers the pH for gentleness. If you find out that onion juice is really harsh on your scalp, this is a perfect recipe for you. It also lowers the odor to 60%. The lifespan is extended. This one doesn't go bad very quick, just like onion juice would. The enzymes created during the fermentation process enhances nutrient delivery, making it more effective than plain onion juice. Think of it as supercharged onion juice. With this, you will see quicker results and your hair fall will reduce in days. Fermentation is an ancient process where the microbes like yeast, bacteria convert sugar into acid, gas, or alcohol. In fermented onions water, which is what we are making, fermentation transforms the raw onion juice into a super probiotic powerhouse. This makes it more active, ensuring that your scalp absorbs more sulfur and quercetin. Fermentation also creates lactic acid, which balances the scalp pH, preventing fungi overgrowth. Fermentation reduces the smell of the onions and you can store it in your refrigerator up to 1 week. If we were to compare the non-fermented onions water and the fermented one, the regular onions water would grow your hair, but the fermented version will show you significant improvement in less than 2 weeks. You will notice your hair becomes thicker. What I'm trying to say is that the fermented onions water works better than the non-fermented onions water, and I'm going to do a second version of this video where I don't add any water into the onion before I ferment it. After cutting your onion to the size you prefer, go ahead and transfer it into a jar and cover it up with water. Ensure that the onions is properly submerged into the water. If you're curious about trying out this recipe, because I know a lot of people actually like to try out new things, if you're willing to try it, let me know in the comment section by typing "I will try it." Doing it this way will drastically reduce the smell. Though it will not be gone totally, I am not assuring you that, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you something you can add in to ensure that the smell is completely gone. After that, keep your jar in a cupboard or somewhere for it to ferment. There is something very important I forgot to include in this video. After you put in your onion cut in the jar, ensure that you add in a bit of sugar. This will feed the bacteria. If you have sea salt, you can add it to ferment even quicker, but if you don't, just add in sugar and cover your jar. Let it sit for 2 days. This is the first method of fermenting your onion water. I am going to do the second method, whereby I don't add in any water to it. Then I'll come back to tell you guys which method is better. And this is after 2 days. As you can see, the color of the onions has infused into the water. I could infuse this thing further, but it's okay. If you open the jar, you're going to perceive that fermentation smell. Now go ahead and strain out the water using a cheesecloth, a sieve, or whatever you have. Before I tell you what we are going to add to completely get rid of the smell, let me tell you exactly how to use it to see the result. Application is key. You might get the recipe right, but if you don't apply it right, it might not work. You have to do it the right way to see the super fast hair growth. If onion is too harsh for you, be rest assured that this one is very mild. Let's quickly add the cherry on top before I tell you how to properly use this. So we'll be adding in lime juice to this. What this will do is that it will neutralize that lingering smell of onion juice. Even though fermentation already reduced the pungent odor, adding lime or lemon juice will take it further. The strong citrus scent will mask and break down sulfur compounds, leaving your hair smelling fresh instead of smelling like an onion. Lime is also loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that promotes collagen production, which is essential for strong hair follicle and fast hair growth. It also balances your scalp pH, fights dandruff, reduces excessive oil, and also have antimicrobial property which can help keep your scalp healthy and growing. Because of its clarifying effect, it makes your hair feel softer. You can also add lemon or lime to your non-fermented onion juice to reduce the smell. Now let's talk about how to use it. If you know you are allergic to onion, please do a batch test before you use this. You can apply on a dry or wet hair. You can use a spray bottle to spray this or use a cotton pad to apply it. If you are not on a protective style, section your hair before you apply this. After application, massage gently for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. After application, leave it in your hair for about 30 to 60 minutes or overnight for intensive treatment, covered with a cap. I would not tell anybody to leave onion juice on their hair overnight, but because this one is gentle, you can totally leave it overnight. Shampoo your hair afterwards and then go in with a leave-in conditioner. This will neutralize any smell left in your hair. You can use this 2 or 3 times weekly, but do not use it every day. There is something else I need to add to this. Do not add in the lemon before the fermentation because it will end up killing all the good bacteria that we need for the fermentation process. Add in the lemon or the lime juice after fermentation is completed. That is about 72 hours. After adding in your lime juice, store it in your refrigerator till another use. Lime is acidic and it can cause dryness, so ensure you use a leave-in conditioner after you rinse this out. Before we go, let me answer a few questions that you might want to know. So, does it work for all hair type? Of course it does. You can use it for any kind of hair. How do I reduce the smell? Like I said in the video, you can ferment it longer and you can also add lime or lemon juice to it. And now you have got the tools for super fast hair growth with fermented onions water. Science backed. It is easy to make and very transformative. You can start today and watch your hair grow and thrive. After watching the video from beginning to the end and you have any further question, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I will provide an answer to it. Some of you don't watch the video to the end. Ensure you watch the video from beginning to the end. If you learned anything in this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you for watching and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.